We can certainly install new equipment and put a new room into older apartment complexes. Space is always the big question mark. Is what real estate are you going to allocate for your laundry room? Whether again, if it's in a basement, or are you going to convert an older apartment, maybe a smaller one room that you want to convert into the laundry room, or put it with the office. But there's always a way to figure that out. It just, a lot of it has to come to, what your capital, what you're willing to put into, what amenities do you want for your residents. And we can help design that and tell you, how many machines per door that you need, and kind of what an anticipated revenue would look like. But, having that amenity of having, if you don't have connections in the apartments themselves, having a central laundry, that I think is really important. That again, people don't like to have to go off-site per se to do their laundry. Now, my vented customers love it, right? They love it when they don't have a central laundry, and be able to send their customers, those apartments will come in and do their laundry at these nice, new, beautiful laundromats we're building. Utilities is always tough. Again, that's the space that you're going to take, that you're thinking about converting is where are the closest utilities for it? What about electrical? What about gas, if you're gas or electric? Drain is always important. Access for space, how do we get in there? Can we get the equipment physically into the space that you're looking at? Those all make a decision of, what is it going to cost to convert a room into the ability to be a laundry. We also need to vent it, right? So we need to be able to make sure that we're not running at some crazy distance on the vent, that we want to be able to get it to the outside as quick as possible.